Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to factory reset, how to erase old data in iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to erase old data, you want to factory reset. So friends, now let's see how to factory reset, how to erase old data in iqoo mobile. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your device, phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, scroll down here. Open your phone system setting. After turn on phone system setting, system navigation, language setting, date and time setting, you can use it. Backup and restore setting, you can use it. Friends, click here reset option setting. Erase all data factory reset. You can erase all data in iqoo mobile. This will erase all data from your phone, internal storage including your Google account, system map and data settings, downloaded apps, music, photo and other user data. Everything will delete in your iqoo mobile. If you click here, so friends, your data will delete. And before delete guys, first of all charge your phone at least 50 and 55%. And first of all file transfer your important photos, video, document, photos, videos. First of all file transfer. After file transfer friends, open your phone system setting and you can delete, erase all data. You can erase all data in your iqoo mobile. And friends, you forget your app lock password, privacy password you want to unlock, so you can unlock after erase all data. So friends, I don't want to erase all data in my iqoo mobile. You want to erase, you want to factory reset. Friends, click here. You can use factory reset setting. You can erase all data. Your Google account, downloaded app, music, photo, contact, everything will delete in your iqoo mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to erase all data, how to factory reset in iqoo mobile. And friends, you want to reset your network setting, Wi-Fi network problem, mobile data problem, Bluetooth network problem. So friends, click here reset option. You can reset your network setting. Your problem will solve. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.